I think I'm gonna make a raspberry jam. I just need to Google some recipe that don't have a lot of sugar, because as you guys know, I'm on a diet. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys having a fabulous day. Oh my god, today is so warm. It's one of the beautiful, most gorgeous day we ever have had so far this year here in Sheffield. So as you guys know, if you're the first time that you watch one of my videos, hello, I'm Antonio. I am Italian, but I am living in UK currently. So up here in the north, we don't really get lots of sunshine, but today, OMG, it's a fabulous day. So Friday means Friday freebie. So today I am gifting you all this gorgeous page. So this is part of the haberdashery, Happy Haberdashery digital kit. You can find on my website, www.antoniomex.com. Also find me on every social medias possible. I'm on course, I'm here on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, I got Facebook group that you guys share wonderful creation. You find me on TikTok and on Pinterest. If you want to save my boards for some future inspiration, feel free to do so. Right, Friday. So I'm not going to do any projects today because I already had a little play with this at the beginning of the week when we made these 4 layers and 3 layers embellishment to celebrate the 4th of July for all my USA friends. Hope you guys have a wonderful celebration, by the way. So this kit has quite a lot of pages, but I picked this one because you've got a bit of colors and a bit of different texture, different embellishment. So feel free to download it and have a lot of fun with it. Now this is the international A4 size, which is in centimeters is 21 by 29.7. In inches, I should know this, it's 11 3/4 by 8 and a bit. I don't know, I think it's 8 1/4, but Google it just or to be on the safe side. So when you print this, of course, if you print it as it is, you get this one. If you alter the setup on your printer, you can print 2 pages into one, so you get these flowers on the smallest size, so you get 2 pages into one. And then I had a little play and I print the same page into the same page into 4 pages, if it makes sense. So have a look at your setup on your printer. Mine is a HP laser printer, and it gives me the option of, say, how many when you print the files, is how many page you want into one page, and I select 4, so the system automatically shrinks your page into 4. So as you can see, you've got different sizes. So with this freebie, you're technically getting 3 freebies. So yeah, just have a little play, guys, and yeah, and enjoy. How you get this freebie? So 2 ways. 1, join my Facebook group. So if you join my Facebook group, and I put the link down below, if you click on files, you see all the list of the freebies that I have shared in the last couple of years. If you want to receive this on a weekly basis without worrying about it, join my newsletter. I send one email a week. I haven't got no time to spam anybody. So, you know, like you join a newsletter, you get 45 emails a day. I haven't got time for that. So you get 1 email every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. So you will get your freebie every week into your email address, and then you right click, save, and then you save into your computer. Job done. Okay, now of course this is going out in today's newsletter at 9 o'clock, so you won't get this in a newsletter, you will get the following week. Okay, so if you register today, so yeah, come on a Facebook group. If you not have a Facebook group and if you are not on Facebook and you want this, I put my email address, send me an email with the subject freebie, and I send the freebie to you. Okay, right, before we go, I want to share I had a little picking up from my garden. We got Jamie got this plant, this raspberry plant last year. I didn't do anything, so and now it's just giving us so much fruits, like free fruit, and I love raspberries, one of my favorite fruit. So let me show you what I picked up from the garden this morning, and also have a look at my garden as well. Sorry if you hear any noises on the background, but I'm in the kitchen and the dishwasher is on. So, but I want to show you, I've got, and I'm hoping you can see how big it is. It is a plate full of raspberries from my garden. I think I'm gonna make a raspberry jam. I just need to Google some recipe that don't have a lot of sugar, because as you guys know, I'm on a diet. But I think I'm gonna have a handful like this with a tiny bit of yogurt and some almonds. But I am obsessed with raspberries. So we had the plants in the garden. I'm going to show you in just a moment. Last year didn't do anything. This year there's tons, and every week we got like at least like a plate full of it. So I'm really pleased. Do you guys like raspberries? If you do, just leave it down in a comment down below, and let me know if you guys grow your own fruits and veg, because that is my dream, and it's definitely something that we will do in Italy. So, but let me show you the garden. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked my Friday freebie, can't speak today, please give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the video and the channel doing well. Have a wonderful weekend. Unfortunately, I am working all weekend. It doesn't matter because I'm off Monday and Tuesday, and I'm hoping that next week the weather is going to be as glorious as it is today. That's what it says on the forecast, so fingers crossed for me. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care, and until next time, stay safe and well.